Yeah. Okie dokie, yeah. Then like 1, 2. Okie dokie, yeah. Okie dokie, that's all. I think that's okie dokie. Hi sis, can I know your age? Age is my secret right now. I didn't reveal that yet. My favorite color is red. Supernova. Okay, Supernova. Love you, just every hi. Love you. Lovely dance. Thank you. Tell me dance phase. Which song? On which song? Armageddon. I don't know the Armageddon first. First will be like just like this. Armageddon. And this will be like 1, 2. And again come like this and 1, 2. A body shape. Yeah. Like that. And after that again done. Hi Lily. I hope I correctly spell your name. Thank you, Vinay Yadav. Hi. Supernova is easy one. Supernova is easy one. What's happening to this slide? Okay, Supernova. Bend down your knees. Like 1, 2, 3. Just you go up. Your knees will come up also. Bend down. Make your arms like this and supernova. Then again, when you did like that, 1, 2, 3. 1. Your leg will be like this and 1. This leg will become like that and same. This. Practice it like that. Just you want to see? You did like this. Only with one leg. 1, 2. Your leg will be like this. It's easy though. 1, 2. Make this gap wider. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hands will be like 1, 2. Match this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And again, there is a 1, 2. Your leg will be like this. Up, this. And this is jump. 1, 2. 1, 2. And again, this leg will come in the front. And like 1, 2. A turn. A kick. With a body move, you can do that also. Wrong. Oh my goodness. I did like that. I did it like that. That's why I'm taking that one. Dance La Lisa song. I didn't learn that choreography yet. My nickname is Sweety. Rockstar by Lisa. I'm not perfect one. Just like gold tape, fit it on a dash. She's a rockstar. Make your favorite singer wanna rap. Baby La La. Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I said hi. That's my life. Baby, I'm a rockstar. I did like that. But someone, I saw some short doing it a little bit different. Can you do mom? Okay, I can do that. It's a little bit of jerk type thing. See, make this type of food is, and don't move your leg like this. Just like 1. A little bit of jerk. 1 leg. This type of jerk with your leg. Don't move like this. It will look bad. 1, 2. Focus on this part of your feet. Okay. 1, 2. If I come, you can see 1, 2. Somebody like this and this also, and somebody like this. The same step of the leg. 1, 2, 1,